Good morning. It's raining outside. I'm totally stuck in my car. বেরোতে পারছি না। যদিও বৃষ্টিতে ভিজতে আমি ভালোবাসি, বাট কাজের সময় আপনারাও বৃষ্টিতে অনেকেই ভিজতে ভালোবাসেন। See, getting drenched in rain, it gives us fun. It gives us surprising workout. This fun workout indirectly help our bone, our muscles, our joint. It has mood lifting effect. It reduces our stress. That is also helpful for our joints. It relieves muscle strain, muscle pain, and possibly it has cooling effect, so it reduces inflammation and helps in relieving some joint pain. So enjoy the rain, but do it smartly. Please do not fall. Roads are really slippery and bad. And enjoy the rain, because strong bones love fun activities, not fractures. Stay active, stay strong. And I'm stuck. What do? I listen to the music.